In order to lock an application on your Samsung phone, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Google Play Store, go to the search bar, then look up App Lock and then Pro just like so. And then you want to install the first link right over here. So you have App Lock Pro, and then you just want to press on install and wait for it to be installed. And then afterwards, press on open just like this. Then select on get started. Then you guys will now need to set your passcode for the apps that you want to go ahead and lock. So you could set either a 4-digit PIN number, a pattern, or a 6-digit PIN number. That is 100% up to you. So I'm just going to be selecting mine right over here. Then press on create. Then just verify it right over here and then press on save just like so. And then you guys can even enable biometric if you want, but that is completely optional. So you just want to go ahead and select on permit and continue. Select on allow. Then you need to turn this on. Press on let's do it. So yeah, this app is going to need some permissions on your device, so keep that in mind. Make sure to turn it on. Then it is going to say app lock is ready, and then afterwards go ahead and select on OK. Okay, then afterwards, it is going to give you two sections that look like this. So over here, unlocked, where you do not need a passcode in order to enter. And over here where it says locked, where you do need the passcode in order to enter. So you can add any application from here to the locked section if you want. For example, we can lock Burger King. Then it is over here in locked. And at any point in time, you can remove the app from here if you want as well. So again, those are all options you have. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.